Zoom have released their new end-to-end encryption, and I'm going to show you how to activate it now. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tony and this is Tuesday's Tips. If this is your first time here, think about hitting that subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, as always, I really do appreciate that support. Now, I'm a little bit late with this video, but last month Zoom released their end-to-end encryption and it's currently in technical preview. What does this mean? Well, by default, content on a Zoom meeting is only encrypted once it reaches the recipient's device, and that encryption is managed by the Zoom servers. Turning end-to-end encryption on, only the people within that meeting have access to the encryption keys, which is great news and a great step forward, especially if you're using that meeting for sensitive data, especially in this current climate with a lot of people working from home. Won't go too far into it, let's just have a look how to turn it on. Okay, so to turn end-to-end encryption on, you need to go to Zoom and log in. On the right hand side where it says my account, go to there. Then on the left hand side you've got the admin there for all the different user room account management. You need to go to account management. Inside account management, go to account settings. And within account settings you get three options, three tabs: meeting, recording, telephone. We're interested in the meeting and we're interested in the security side of it. Luckily that's what comes up first. If you then just scroll down, you will see it here. It still says it's in technical preview, so it should be easy to find. And as it says, allow use of end-to-end encryption. Now currently when it's turned off, you are just using the enhanced encryption, which I mentioned earlier, where the Zoom servers handle the encryption key. Turning this on, and you will need to turn this on if you're hosting a meeting, that way everybody else gets it. If you're just attending a meeting, it needs the host of the meeting to turn it on. But turn it on anyway, that will turn on your end-to-end encryption. This is available for free and paid users, so it's available for anybody. There are some limitations. I think you can only have up to 200 participants. I'll put on screen now some of the things that won't work, like join before host, streaming, that sort of stuff. There's a list of stuff that won't work, and you will know if you've got end-to-end encryption on, because if you've just got the enhanced version, you will see a green tick in the top left corner like this. Once you've turned end-to-end encryption on, where that green shield and a tick is, you will see this icon which has got a padlock in there. Once you see that in the top screen, if you're in a meeting, you know that you have end-to-end encryption enabled. So there you go, miles more secure. Give it a try. There you have it. If you have sensitive meetings for work or for other things, then turn it on, give it a try, and if there's any problems, let Zoom know. It is still in a technical preview. This is only stage 1. There is a stage 2 coming, but we'll get into that when that happens. If you found that useful, please give me a like. Drop in the comments if you started using it already. What do you think? If you haven't subscribed yet, that's up here, and I'll leave another couple of videos here so you can carry on watching. Until the weekend, guys, I'll see you later.